You tap your phone every day, but it's doing something you don't notice. It doesn't just detect touch, it understands how you touch it. Light tap, deep press, 2 fingers. Each one means something different. And yes, your phone has 3 different touch systems working behind the scenes. Let's break them down simply in under 3 minutes. Multi-touch first, multi-touch. This is the most basic and common. It detects how many fingers are touching the screen. That's how you zoom in with 2 fingers or rotate images. Almost every smartphone uses it, like Apple, Samsung, and Xiaomi. Without multi-touch, your phone would feel like an old keypad device. If you're enjoying this simple tech breakdown, subscribe for more. Force touch next. Force touch or pressure-sensitive touch. This one detects how hard you press the screen. A light press does one thing. A harder press opens extra options. It was used in older iPhone 6s and iPhone 7 as 3D touch. But the problem, it needed special hardware. So many brands removed it. Today, most phones no longer use true pressure sensors. Haptic touch. Instead, we now have haptic touch. It doesn't detect pressure, it detects how long you press. Press and hold, and you feel a small vibration. Phones like iPhone 13 and Samsung Galaxy series use this today. It feels similar to force touch, but it works differently. Comparison. Let's make it simple. Multi-touch equals number of fingers. Force touch equals pressure strength. Haptic touch equals press duration. 3 ways your phone understands your touch. But this is not the end of touch technology. In the future, smartphones may go beyond just touch. We could see holographic touch, where you interact with floating 3D screens. Or even gesture-based control, where you don't need to touch the screen at all. Some companies are also testing AI-powered adaptive touch, where your phone learns how you use it and reacts smarter over time. Imagine a phone that knows your intention before you even tap. So touch is evolving from simple taps to intelligent interaction. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more future tech explained simply. And tell me, what future phone feature would you like to see?